Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyV. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me today. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair-related content, especially with wigs, but I also like to throw in a little makeup, as well as unboxings, natural hair. So if any of that is something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so today we have another unboxing of the brown sugar box. Y'all know I try not to do these every single month. I might do like every other. I think the last one I did was in July or August. I don't remember. I'll list that playlist up here of all of my subscription box videos. So feel free to check that out if it's something you're interested in. So, if you're unfamiliar with the brown sugar box, it is a subscription box like I mentioned. It's founded by two beautiful women by the name of Izzy and Liv. Their tagline is Culture, Confidence, Soul Delivered, as you see here on the box. And they usually include a lot of items in their box that are like, you know, for the culture. I usually love most of the items that I receive from the brown sugar box. Like, they have some awesome items in here. Also on their website, they usually kind of put stuff that they've already had in boxes out on their website as well, because there's usually a lot of, you know, things that people are going to want. So they have it on their website also. As usual, I will list all of the information down in the description box, so feel free to check that out if it's something you're interested in. I've also included my referral code, so if you're interested in, you know, starting a subscription, feel free to use that code. You get a little discount, so do I. Win-win. Let's work together here. So the box I'm unboxing today is for the month of September. Now, they normally deliver their boxes between the 15th of the month through the end of the month. And I think my box came while I was out on vacation, so that's why I'm just now getting to it. And we're already in October. So to keep this video from being too long, I'm going to go ahead and just dive right on into the box. Now, I usually have, and I usually look forward to, a little mini magazine that they have in the box that kind of gives a description of all of the items. It gives the retail value for the products, as well as maybe like optional colors you can get or variations of a particular item. But this time, I feel like maybe I just got this little card, very new to me. Oh, it says on the back, Brown Sugar Box Mini Magazine. We've gone digital. So they have a little scanner on the back, a little scan code, effortless slay. So now they're not including the actual magazine, the physical magazine. They say that you can get it using these little what do you call these things? Scan codes, whatever the heck they're called. You know what I'm talking about. So for this month for the month of September, the tagline or the theme is Effortless Slay Edition. So they have Comfy is the New Bizwear, 2000s trends making a comeback in a major way. They have What's Your Black Girl Aesthetic, and they also have Give Me That Brown Sugar. Okay. So let's dive on in. The first thing I see here is this super cute confidence, their tagline actually, Culture, Confidence, Soul Delivered. It's all over this super cute hat here. Love the colors. Y'all know my favorite color is blue. This blue is not particularly my favorite, but I do like the color blue. Super cute hat with all these confident words on here. I would put it on, but I don't really want to take my scarf off. I'm kind of feeling my scarf in this video today. By the way, if you have not checked out the video of these braids, it's like a braid band where it's like a headband band that you just wrap around and snap it in place and throw on a hat or a headband or whatever you have. This hat will actually be perfect. I'll probably throw it on at the end of the video. I'm throwing this hat on because I want to see. And it'll go perfect with this braids band. Hello? So normally with having the physical magazine, I'm able to like read the price of each item to you. And even maybe there's some variations in colors or anything like that. But I don't have the magazine, and I tried to scan the little code that they gave on the little card, but that's not working either, so I am unable to provide you any further details, and I apologize in advance because I normally like to provide that for you. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next item, which is, I'm not sure, looks like a little jewelry box here. Ooh, cute. It is a box of earrings. Look at this. It says you have one for culture, one for soul, and does this say anything? Confidence. Look at that. This one says confidence. Let me see if you can see. Super cute. I like all of these. I would rock all of these. Super cute. I'm about to put on a pair right now because I just love it. This is so cute. Yep. It caught my attention. Ow. Super cute. Love these. I wish I could tell you how much it is. I hate that I can't see the prices. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do. Alright, so I'm going to move on. This is not going to be a super long video because it's usually only like 5 items in the box, and we're already down 2. So I'm going to keep going. Oh, and now isn't this cute? It's an Izzy and Liv like clear little purse bag. Very cute. Let me take that out. There's a little strap. It's not super big, but you can get some things in here. It has 2 pockets on the front. You know, for your cell phone or what have you. Very nice. It's cute. I may or may not rock that. I don't know. You know, everything is just like outfit depending. Basically. So I'm just going to put the little hooks on real quick. Very cute. Little crossbody. And it says Izzy and Liv on there. Super cute. I wonder, does it go with the hat? Not really. But you can make it work. You can make it work. Alright, let's move on. Ooh, I get leggings. Music to my ears. I am a leggings chick. And I feel like I got leggings from them last year that I wore quite a bit. Like, I love the leggings. They were so soft and comfortable. And so are these. It has queen all over them. These are so soft, y'all. Golly. I love my last pair. And I feel like I'm going to love this pair just as much. Now, when you sign up for the subscription, you know, you get to plug in your size. And so my size in my profile is a large. I was going to change it to a medium because a lot of the times the stuff comes a little larger than I like. But I noticed, you know, it's just better to be safe. So I just keep it as a large. So these are super cute. I will be rocking these for sure, honey. No question. Actually, I might rock all of this together. So the last but not least, every month they include a themed t-shirt for the month in every box. And I look forward to those t-shirts because it's always like a statement shirt, you know, something very positive and super cute. So I usually really love the t-shirts. And again, I have mine in a large. This is the t-shirt. I don't even know what it says. Let me see. Okay. It says culture. And I can wear this with them leggings, with my little crossbody. Like, this is a whole look. This shirt is long. It's a large and it is long. It's like almost down to my knees. Jeez. So I'm definitely not concerned whether it's going to fit or not. It's probably going to be too large. But that's okay. I mean, it is really long. It's like a tunic. Super cute though. So, I mean, like, that's it. That was 5 items in the box. All right, y'all. So I just had to come back on with this hat because it is so cute. Like, I love the colors. If you haven't noticed, these are like the colors of my Instagram page. Pink, blue, and white. These are just my colors, and I love it. Love this. Yeah, I'll be rocking this joint. All right, y'all, so that's really all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all of the goodies that I showed you. Let me know what goodies you like the most. Let me know what you guys are feeling about the products that were in this September box for the brown sugar box. Let me know down in the comments below. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little blue heart right here down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.